yourself. Are you turning off your camera?
Hello everyone, how about we play nice?
Close your camera.
Good morning Barira, good morning
I
Ishan.
cannot see you. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning, good morning. Okay, I have told you information guys. Before that I want to ask you something. If others turn on your camera, Ishan, Ishan, please turn on your camera.
I did turn on my camera.
Do you have any plans on December? December 1st, 2nd, 3rd, it's a holiday, right? Are you going
I don't
somewhere?
have plans, but my grandma has plans.
So, is it
And
related
I
to
have.
sports? Who all have? Can you raise a hand? Let me see first. And tell me what's your plan. What are you going to do? I think Alpha raised the hand. Okay, Aishan, what's the plan?
I raised my hand first.
Let me raise Aishan first. Ladies
I
first.
didn't raise my hand.
What's the plan, Aishan? Let me hear. Let's see.
What?
What's the plan? Where are you going?
I have a small plants in here. Some plants are in outside in my room, some in inside.
That's nice. What about Laser?
I don't know anything.
Others? Yes, Aishan. Ishan, Amila, do you want attendance? Ishan, last day also you didn't get attendance because you didn't turn on your camera. Amila, don't play on the phone. Keep the phone aside. You know it's class time. Barira, you know the classes are recorded and stories to mama. What about Alfatif? Are you going somewhere or doing something on December 1st?
IDK.
Sorry, IDK, okay, I don't know. What about Millet? Any plans?
No, I can't.
No. Jihan, what about you? Barira, this is the last one.
I'm turning off my phone.
No, we don't use phone during class time.
Ma'am, I said I was turning off my phone. Because I cannot go anywhere because my left knee is like swollen. That's why yesterday fall down in the park. So I had to take X-ray.
Are you alright?
Yeah, that's why I wasn't okay yesterday. So I put bandage. Like it will take like about 1 week.
I am talking about December, buddy. This is October. You have November. December 1st, 2nd, 3rd is holiday there, right?
So, yeah, I know because like after like few days it's like a sports day, right?
That's what that I'm asking.
I will show you one plans of me. But I'm feeling better because I'm keeping half the medicine. Proven.
That's good. Okay, let's see. What about Amila? Any plans for December 1st, 2nd, 3rd during the break?
I feel like everyone is telling me a lie right now.
Okay,
What?
What about Barira? Does Barira have any plans?
Nope. I have 0 plans in mind.
Plans. Okay, this is very important, okay? Yes, Milan.
Maybe I'll just like sit, go and play with my friends. That's it.
Sorry, I didn't get you, Milan.
Maybe I'll just like go and play with my friends or like go shopping or go and watch a movie. Like a new random movie. But that's scary.
Okay, that's good. See, November 5th, we have mini news reporter competition for you guys. You will act like mini reporters, find some information, and you will present it in front of the judges. It's a very interesting competition. So, do you guys want to take part? See,
I'm scared.
You will take a short news to present. Okay, you are the reporter there. You see reporters in news, right? It should be like 1 to 2 minutes. Not too long, but not too short. Keep it 2 minutes. Nice.
No.
Yes. Make sure you are very confident. Speak very confidently and loudly so that they can hear you. And change your facial expression. You can use like, hi people. This is whose name should I use? This is Laisal from UAE. I'm here to present. Da, 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 da. Rest you can fill. So
So all I gotta say is just that.
no. That I just added there. You have to actually find the news there.
Oh.
News add and save that.
Oh, but I don't wanna.
Anyone who wants to see, you will get mates points.
But I wanna do it. Yes.
You want to participate?
Podcast, weather.
It can be any news, right? Yes.
I'm not going to say the weather.
In paper or camera?
First, do you want to take part? Anyone who's interested to take part? It's on November 5th. You have plenty of time to prepare.
I don't want. But the next day is my birthday.
Will it take too much time to prepare?
No.
How about you take participation? It would be nice.
One hour.
Participation means
Half an hour.
Fatih, can I give you a name?
Yeah.
Amila, are you interested?
I need to ask my parents.
You can ask your mama.
1 minute.
Okay. Aishish, Milan, Raisin, not interested? Why Barira is not interested? Aishish, yes, Aishish. And give your name.
Ma'am, I didn't hear anything. Number 15 confused one.
Number 5th. Raisel, we have a mini news reporter competition on November 5th. We have plenty of time. You will present a news, any news you like.
I don't know any news.
News you can find out right there. Google everywhere. ChatGPT is there. Get me the.
Where do we? I don't have ChatGPT. I only have Gemini. How many days do we have?
Okay.
Ma'am, how many days do we have? You can use
For
Gemini.
preparing, you have like, I think, 15
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, right.
Yes, Amila.
For preparing, how many
Okay.
will be having sports week? 15.
Amila, you want to take part?
Yeah. Okay.
See, 3 people have given names from our class: Amila, Al-Fatih, and Aishin. Anyone else? It would be nice. Aishan, do you want to take part? We are not able to take part.
I just only want to just
What should I do with the mini news report?
You have to like present the news. For example, judges will be
What?
there. You take a news apart.
Okay.
You first
I can't hear because everyone is talking.
Everyone else, can you be quiet for 1 minute, or I'll just put you on mute.
1 minute, I wait.
Huh. Just give me a thumbs up. Ishan, are you able to hear me now? You'll take a small part of news. It should be like 1 to 2 minutes long. Make it 2 minutes. We'll do our best. Okay? You'll take the news and present it like you're a news reporter. You see news reporters on television, right? Just refer to 1 or 2 of them. Get a small news. Even in ChatGPT, if you put, get me a weather news, I'm taking participation in this competition, I want a piece of news that I can present. They will give it. And Lazel, ChatGPT is there in Google, you don't have to get it. So, I'm just going to unmute it. Ishan, interested? You have to unmute yourself.
Can I ask my
Ma'am,
Ask it.
but she's not here. She is at her job.
Okay,
Apple.
give me the name by tomorrow. People think.
Yeah.
Tell
Okay.
me by tomorrow.
ma'am, I want to do it too. I want to do it, Ishan.
Okay.
Okay, I'll tell you tomorrow.
Okay. Milan,
Yeah, you and me will be a mini. You and me will be mini news.
it is an individual work, not a team work. Milan, shall I give you a name?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm giving Milan's name as well. ma'am
But
is
how?
here.
What?
Good job.
What we need to do in that in
How about
paper?
I tell you
Ma'am,
tomorrow
I'm
how
in
it is?
the class,
Because
right?
time's up, right? I'll
Ma'am,
tell
in
you
the
tomorrow.
class?
Ma'am, yeah, we should do it in paper or in Canva or something. Canva.
No, you have to just present it. Like learn it, present it. Just 1 or 2
Oh,
minutes, right?
like that.
Ma'am, in
Okay,
the
okay,
classroom, right?
Not in the classroom.
okay.
Zoom
We
call.
need this. Our
Bro,
mouth. From our
she-
mouth. When is there's the class, we present it.
We will practice here and then we'll present it. Okay, we'll practice
Ma'am,
here.
where do it?
I really have to ask my mom
Ma'am, do you have
because
to do in
at
class
November
or like
5th,
somewhere else?
Okay.
on November 5th, we had to shift the house. So
Let's do one thing. Rest we'll
let's ask.
discuss tomorrow. Okay, ma'am is here.
Okay.
Time for us to start. Bye.
Wait,
people.
ma'am, tomorrow I will.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, bye.